Welcome back to Fierce Hot Wheel guys and Fierce Hot Wheel viewers and subscribers. Today I want to feature another BMW. I know the very first video I made was a BMW M2. Back in December was my very first video, I believe, that I made from BMW, the blue color. That year, in 2018, they came out with only two colors. Was the one red and there's another one in blue. This year they have only one edition of BMW M2, which is white color, and as you see the M stripes on it, the blue, black, and red. Nice white color smoke windows, black interior, two 5-spoke wheels. As you see, BMW M2. This is a 2016 series Hot Wheel edition. I mean the edition of the BMW. It does have mirrors integrated, antenna. So BMW logo on the hood, not on the back, just a little space for it. So anyways, I don't know who the designer was. Tried to look up, but didn't show. The BMW 2 Series came out in 2013. The designer was Christopher Whale. Well, anyways, this was a Hot Wheel 2019 edition of 2016 BMW M2. It was number 200 out of 250, factory fresh, number 1 out of 10. So it does roll real good, nice. Two 5-spoke wheels, chrome with the white color, smoked out windows, black interior, mirrors integrated, antenna integrated, and then there's a gas cap, right here. As you see, all that integrated, pretty good at paying attention to detail, looking just like exact this real car with the mufflers and air vents, front grills, BMW logo. They have it up front, but they don't have it in the back. They only have a little mark for it. So, like I said, BMW's started like in the early 2000s. They only had like 3 BMW cars series. BMW 3 Series, the 330s, whatever they are, the 3 Series. So the 5 Series and the 7 Series. They also had the 4th one for a limited run, was the 8 Series, but they discontinued that. And then in late 1990s, they started, the world came into first SUV era, you could say, where luxury cars become more popular go into SUVs. The only car luxury had was Lexus and Mercedes G-Wagons as SUVs up until the late 1990s, where the Lincoln Navigator came out as the first luxury SUV. And then after that, the Lexus started coming out with more. The BMW came out with X5. Mercedes came out with their ML 450s or whatever they are, the ML class. And then after that, the BMWs started expanding their editions left and right, just like Audis right now. They're doing that the same. Mercedes doing left and right from S, C class. They got A class, they got B class, they got all the class, you could say. So BMW expanded their line of models from 357 to the 6 Series, 4 Series, and they had came out in 2013 as 2 Series, and then they have 1 Series. Now in 2019, they even came out with, I know they came out a little earlier, the 8 Series cars, the coupes for BMW, and now 2019 they came out with SUV 8 Series, so they have 8 series of BMW SUVs and like 8 models series of BMW sedans, where they have sport class and regular sedan class. So anyways, the BMW right now, they're priced about $58K, the real car, producing at 405 horsepower versus the regular BMW 2 Series, the 220, I believe. Their base price is $35,000, so you can either buy a Toyota Camry, or if you don't need too much room, but you want a sporty one, but like if you're a college kid and you want something nice, you can buy a BMW that is sporty. That one produces 248 horsepower, but M Series is double the price from 35, so it's $58K, 405 horsepower, 3.0 V6 engine. Small little sporty car that gets you around the corner pretty good. Good for rallies if you're doing that. So there you go. There's a little information about this Hot Wheel, a little more than I did the previous one. So please like, subscribe, comment, guys, down below. Tell me what you guys want me to review, what you don't want me to review, and all that stuff. So thank you for watching. See you next time.